Good morning, y'all. Tim, chasing bolts. It's been a while. It's Wednesday morning, the 20th of September, and this is the first action we've had in a couple weeks. So, finally, getting some rumbles from this right here. That right there, right in front of you, is where I'm seeing all the lightning bolts on radar scope. It's 14 miles away, and it is moving slowly to the northwest. So it's coming right over me. I'll be able to hopefully grab some shots before it hits, and then once it's here, I'll just pack everything up and see what happens. But I definitely won't be able to get the backside shots on this. It's going to be going inland, and so if I can just get it approaching the coast, I'll be happy. But we've had a few bolts this morning coming out of there. There's a lot coming from right there. But with the daylight, you just can't see the lightning bolts. But you can definitely hear the rumbles of thunder out there. So see what I get. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. It's me again. That cell that was right here, or the area, was right there, and it was moving at the time. It was moving northwest when I got here. Now it's over here. So I think it's really moving more of a west-northwest. I was right in the path, and it is going around to me to the west. So hang on, let me get my camera kicked off again here. There we go. So, like I said, it was moving northwest. Now it's moving more of a west-northwest. So that's it right there. It's starting to fade. The bolts are not like they were 15 minutes ago. But the rain curtain's there, so I'm dry. So I'm not going to get wet because that's coming this way, but I'm not really worried about it too much. But looks like it's going to be a. I got a couple bolts on camera on the Nikon, so that's good. It's a successful run when I get or successful chase when I get a bolt on there. But this CB is definitely flattened out all the way up to there. It's nice. But there's your rain curtain. So this looks like another storm for further west. Destin, or not Destin, probably seaside area. Oh, camera stopped. Hang on a second. There we go. Okay, so you can still hear some faint rumbles of thunder. Not as loud as they were before, so it's definitely getting away from me. But it's all right. Good morning. Good way to start my day off. Come out here with the storm. So hear it. Still hear the thunder. It's coming from right there. So maybe I can catch some bolts coming off the back edge of that CB. I've already got a couple of them. Maybe stay here as long as I can and see if I can catch the last remaining bolts off of it. So, all right, y'all have a good day. If anything happens, I'll be here. I'll keep recording. All righty, y'all take care. Talk to you later.